Okay, so we're back in our website where we have Ray, and she's really big, and I want to talk a little bit about styling. Now there's two different ways to do styling in HTML. The first one is the big no way. Don't do it this way for the most part, but we're going to do it this way just for simplicity's sake before we introduce CSS or cascading style sheets. So if you want to change styling on an element, all we have to do is add the style attribute, and we can give it a value which is broken up by semicolons. So you can have a bunch of different values inside of this value. So for instance, we can set a width, and we'll set it to 100 pixels. And you just put the width, which is the name, kind of like the attribute inside of this attribute, then colon, and then whatever you want the value to be, followed by a semicolon. So when we save this, and we go over to our web page, and we run it, you'll see that Ray gets smaller now. Her width is 100 pixels so that she fits on the screen a little bit better than she did before. And we'll jump into a little bit more about styling in the next video.